What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Wrong bang. Definitely. You see, when you're at school and you get X, you get beaten for that. Yeah. Cause first when your teacher, I look and say, yeah, he's a good student, you get some whole heap of a wrong bang in your book, everything wrong, you get beaten for that X. So when you pick up one girl and you never a good girl for a morning and it becomes your ex, she needed to pick up for a morning. That was a wrong bang for a morning.
Alright, which part we can find you?
Yeah, man, you can find me at Vigorous Dan, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. Look how we hustle every day, you know. Try to make a life out in the street, you know. Never have a choice, never give up. That are the key in a life. Enough people who da do the wrong thing, you know. Man does a try, you know. While them a fight. You know, business cards, they never have a choice. Never give up. That are the key in a life. Round ya now, round ya so no nice watcher. Inna the jungle yo, love to see the snake you know. Ask me how me doing, me I go tell us say me great you know. Man a the greatest thing but still underrated you know. Wah, me still a bun a spliff and meditate you know. Them can't box the food out of me plate you know. Me can't tell all the waiter the food wait you know. Hey, put that something there on a scale you know. Adjust me money me away you know. Haters them enough up you know.